102 for 2. She doesn't know. She's so pensive, but the crowd loves her. So happy to see her on the big screen. The variety of emotions on her face. So that's it. That's what she gets from the crowd. All of them so devoted to her. And the crowd goes wild. Hits it well. Adarsh, but straight to the fielder. So the fielding positions have been set very well by Chennai Rhinos. All the big areas or the high scoring areas have been covered, protected well by fielders in the deep. So the fielding has been quite good so far. Good work there by the captain Vishal.
They have given their all, isn't it? Chennai Rhinos have fielded really well, placed themselves really well. There he goes, trying to go over the top and hits it very cleanly. That's a superb shot over long off and clears the man out there with utmost ease.
He decided quite early that he'll go big. Charan Teja. He stepped out much before the delivery was bowled. He goes after that one, hits it very well, hits it clean. It sails over the fence for a 6. So he's made his intentions very clear. I guess another single bowled quite cleverly by Vishnu. So Charan Teja, he doesn't want to hang around till then. He wants to finish it quickly. Better move. They need a couple of bowlers. Try and get at least a couple of big overs. That'll really ease up the run chase for them.
Absolutely. Target 1 or 2 bowlers and just go for it. And this time it's the turn of Adarsh to get going. Well, a valiant effort in the deep, but it's a boundary. This is the over, Sabha. Whether this is the over or not, we'll have to wait and watch. Well, of the 4 deliveries, they've already scored 12. There's a bit of a injury to the fielder out there, but Adarsh getting into that. Hits it cleanly over mid-wicket.
Picked his spot so well. Good effort. Spread one from the fielder there. He tried his level best. Injured his knee, I think. I think it's the left knee. As soon as he falls down, he grabs his right knee. He's in pain here. He's injured his knee, it seems. So the physio and the trainer is on the ground to help him. And they would need a substitute here. The Rhinos turning out to be very good over for Warriors. 12 already from the first 4 deliveries. So both Teja and Adarsh have decided to target Vishnu in this over, and I'm sure they'll try and get after the other bowler from the other end. Samira Reddy, the other brand ambassadors, she was there the last weekend also. Huge supporter of Chennai Rhinos. She looks smart, isn't it, Amol?
Oftenly seen in Bollywood movies, some of them the Priyadarshan movies. She's taken part in. She's been tremendous, and she's been tremendous support for the Chennai Rhinos, being the brand ambassador for them.
So what can Rhinos do from here? They need to hang in. They need to keep working. Couple of wickets, back-to-back wickets. That can change the situation immediately. They need to win this encounter to go through to the semi-finals. Otherwise, they'll have to wait for the other results to come through. Or they'll have to wait for the net run rate to come in the picture. 37 needed now from 26 deliveries. Now this is what happened to the fielder there. You got to that delivery but was unable to save it from going to the fence.
It's the first impact with the ground which has hurt his knee, the right one, which he's been holding on. Well, I hope it's nothing serious. We don't want any injuries out here. Tried his best, and at the moment he's out of the ground. Been looked after by the physios and all the reserve players. They've rushed to his aid. So the game begins. This is the 5th ball, already conceded 12 runs, and he goes again, the similar kind of a shot, and this time again it's the boundary. Well, this is the over, Sabah, what we were talking about, a big over, and that brings up Adarsh, a well-deserved 50. Tremendous knock under pressure, and he's delivered.
Well played, young man. Held the target you're chasing. And Adarsh, who came in as an opener, has held the innings together. Good strike rate. He has maintained 51 of 51 deliveries. And he soaks in the appreciation from the crowd and his supporters. The job is not over as yet. 16 already from this over. The last one coming up. He goes again, same direction. This time straight to the fielder. He'll get a single. He'll also retain the strike. So after 16 is 119 for 2.